How about Nasi Goreng USA? Hey folks, I'm Lynn Blow from linsfood.com and Singaporean Malaysian recipes.com, where this recipe is going to be at. So, Nasi Goreng USA. It's not what you're thinking. USA. The U stands for Udang, S stands for Sotong, and A stands for Ayam. Udang, Sotong, Ayam. Udang is prawns, Sotong is squid, and Ayam is chicken. You'd know that if you've been a long time Lynn's Food follower. So, Nasi Goreng USA. So it's Nasi Goreng. You all know by now Nasi Goreng simply means fried rice. So Chinese fried rice, if spoken in Malay or Indonesian, is also called Nasi Goreng. So Nasi Goreng, that phrase, that name doesn't refer to a single fried rice recipe, whether Malay in origin or Indonesian in origin. It just means fried rice. So today's recipe is fairly easy. I'll give you the full ingredients list in the description. And if you want to know more about it, not that there are any particularly difficult ingredients today, but if you want to read up more about it, you know the drill. Head to my blog as usual. The link is right there. Let's get cooking. So that was easy, right? And we just top it with a fried egg, which is a fairly common look for nasi goreng. I've placed some lettuce leaves, tomato slices and cucumber slices. And then if you like the taste of spring onions, green onions, scallions, as I do, you just finish off with a light or heavy sprinkle of spring onions. As you saw in the recipe while I was cooking, I used quite a lot of chili paste or ground chilies. Really, it's just a matter of making your own, getting some red chilies and either pounding them with a pestle and mortar or chopping them in a food processor. That's it. That's what I've used here. If you can't be bothered to do that yourself, shop-bought sambal oelek will do just as nicely. Now you can make it hot, you can make it mild. So I used about 2 tablespoons of chili paste, what we'd call chili bow, and that's fairly spicy, not overly spicy. Again, that depends on your type of chilies, right? So you could reduce that right down. And then when you're done cooking, have a taste. If you think it needs a little bit more salt, sprinkle some salt or some light soy sauce to finish it off. That's it. Super easy. You want to know more? If you've got questions, drop me a line here or on my blog. Whatever works for you. There you have it. Nasi Goreng USA. I shall see you guys real soon.